Are you wondering if YouTube TV can replace DIRECTV? In this video, I'm going to break it all down for you and help you decide whether YouTube TV is the right choice to take the place of your traditional satellite service. With its live TV, on-demand content, and flexible features, YouTube TV might just be the modern solution you're looking for. YouTube TV can be a great alternative to DIRECTV for many people, but there are a few factors to consider. First, YouTube TV offers over 100 channels, including popular networks like ESPN, CNN, and Disney Channel, along with local affiliates like ABC, NBC, and CBS in most areas. It also includes unlimited DVR storage, so you can record as much content as you want without worrying about space. However, unlike DIRECTV, YouTube TV doesn't offer premium add-ons like HBO or Showtime directly within the platform. You'll need to subscribe to those services separately. Additionally, DIRECTV provides access to more sports packages and pay-per-view events, which might appeal to sports fans. On the flip side, YouTube TV's $72.99 per month price tag is significantly cheaper than most DIRECTV packages, and it doesn't require any long-term contracts. If this video helped you understand whether YouTube TV can replace DIRECTV, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.